Alright, so I'm going to summarize this real quick. You got me rolling around on the ground looking completely move. When you do this for the B&M Sports Shifter for 4L ADE, this is what I've done. There's two nuts right here. You take them and you loosen them, and you just keep them, you know, separated so it has some free range of motion. You take this lever right here and you pull it all the way this way towards your nuts, and then you want to take your shifter on the inside and make sure you take the little set screw out so that way it goes to a 4-speed, and your lever right here will go all the way back. And this thing that's got the makeshift cotter pin in it, it'll go in the F slot all the way back. And then what you do after you get it where it moves freely in and out of the F one, not the R but the F, you want to push it, take it out, don't put your cotter pin in, take it all the way out, move this lever all the way up to park, go inside your car or truck and put your lever, your shifter, in park. This little piece right here should go in the F slot. Fairly simple, fairly easy to move in and out, and there's a little nut in the back. You tighten it up and it should still move in and out. Once that's done, you want to tighten these up, and then you want to get inside, stick your cotter pin so that thing don't fall out when you try. And you should be able to get inside and move it in all your gears. I'm going to zoom in. Shit. I'm going to zoom in for my sake and check it. I will replace that cotter pin. Should be reverse, neutral, 3, 2, yeah, hang on a second. Park, reverse, neutral, overdrive, 3, 2, 1.